In this video, I am going to walk you through how to remove the open to work frame. Go to this pencil icon right here next to open to work. And we're going to go right down left here to delete. And this will delete your open to work. It's no longer there. Recruiters will no longer be notified. I'm Rita Baroody, Career Success Coach. Follow me on LinkedIn. I also post quite a bit on YouTube about career advice, LinkedIn tips, interview preparation. If you ever need that, please subscribe to my channel for the best career advice, LinkedIn tips, and interview preparation. And check out my playlist on the best career advice. Career tip of the day. Always put yourself number one. That is the only way you will achieve the highest level of success.